Welcome to a standing abdominal workout. So this one will be with one dumbbell, so 5 pounds, but you can use whatever weight works for you. And the chair is there for one of the exercises, but you can also do it without. If you feel you don't need the chair, that's okay too. Let's get started. So our first one is going to be a standing crunch with the weight. So we're just going to be bringing one knee up, crunching down towards the knee, and then switching from side to side. Each exercise is going to be 30 seconds. I'll do one set talking. The next set will be music only. Let's get started. Getting into position, always engaging the abs as you come forward, breathing out, and continue. Moving into our teapot exercise, a side bend, having the weight at the side, going down to one side, coming back up. Now you're feeling it here, going down again, and continuing to engage the abs, so flex. Switch to the other side. Coming down into the chair or going into a squat position, flexing the abs, so thinking of someone about to poke you into the stomach. Engage, breathe out, keeping those abs engaged. Coming down, breathing in and out. Switching to a rotational knee tuck. So having the weight at the side, going to the knee and then back. Getting ready to go to the other side. Going into our wood chopper, so having the weight at the side, going up, twisting the foot, and then down again. Switching to the other side. Standing in one place, weight is at the chest. You are just doing an isometric hold. So just flex your abdominals, poke yourself here. It should be hard. So hold that flex. You can also do this seated if you want the support. going into a Russian twist. So going from side to side, bringing the elbows back, keeping that core engaged. So trying to keep the hips still. Last one, bringing the weight above the head, and it's just you're just bringing that weight around your head like a halo, and then switch the direction. So one side and then the other direction. And keeping your core engaged or flexed. Knees are soft. If you're just doing one set, you are done. Otherwise, let's go into our second set. Thank you for joining me. I hope you felt that in your abs. You should have felt that in your abs. You can always increase the weight if you want to get more out of it, if you feel you need it. Thanks for joining me. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button and let me know what you'd like to see in future videos. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a great day.